Hello everyone, welcome to the ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. Today is August the 30th and the chart of the day for today is Apple 60 minutes time frame here. So we can see right here we ended with 4 and this is a cycle degree here, and from there we have started to turn higher, so that means we are turning higher with 5 in the cycle degree. And within the wave 5, we should be close to finishing 1 of 5. So here we got this 1, 2 in blue, 3, 4 in blue, 5 in blue. So we have 5 waves up, which should be ending with 1 of 5, right? And then from there we should be correcting this entire rally from early August in 3 swing or in 7 swing within this wave 2 before it turns higher again. So the bias is higher, right? But the arrow is still only black, not green yet. It's because it's very simple, because we have not broken above the previous wave 3. If I zoom out to the 4 hour, all right, you can see right here, I'm gonna place this wave 4 in the 4 hour time frame, which is right here. So we have rallied higher, which is the rally higher you see here, but the rally higher has not broken above this previous peak, which should be a wave 3 here. And that's why the arrow is still not green, because until it breaks above the peak, then from technical point of view, however small the probability is, there is always a chance to do what we call a double correction. But that's not our primary view, and it is less likely because we got a breakout already to new high in the Dow, in the DAX, and so on. So I think most likely, and then this one looks impulsive. You can see in the 4 hour looks impulsive. Now a couple of things we can observe in the 4 hour is this pullback definitely was not a 5 ways down, right? It does not, it looks a 3 ways down, which is corrective. In fact, if you measure the extension, then you can figure out that not only that it looks like a 3, it rallies from the area where you anticipated it to rally, which is the 100% extension. There's no extension to 1.618, which is typically a sign of wave 3, right? So very classic 3 swings pullback, bouncing higher from the 100% extension area, and the rally is looking pretty impulsive to me, the structure. So that means I think we should favor in the upside. Now, even if we are calling a pullback here, that doesn't mean, oh, you should sell it, guys, because it's going to put, no, right? It is bullish. So as a result, what we can do here is simply what the chart here is suggesting is it is bullish, and we like it higher, but this cycle could get mature, and that means we might see a pullback first. The keyword is might, because when it is bullish, right, you think it's going to pull back, but it may not pull back, right? So it might pull back to correct that cycle first before higher again. So the idea here is simply that I think the best way is just to wait for this cycle to finish, whether it's finished today, tomorrow, or next week, or 2 weeks later, right? When we can finally see a larger pullback to correct that cycle, then maybe we can then look for the opportunities again to buy the dips down the road, right? Not now, because again, it's kind of mature, and so if you're chasing now, it might start to pull back, right? It might start to pull back anytime, and therefore you're gonna get into pain if that's the case, right? So that's the idea here. So we like it higher against 196, and looking for a pullback sooner or later. And once the pullback is over, then we should continue to go higher again. Now, if you want to get more updates on Apple regularly, or any other stocks, ETF, even Forex, Commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.